In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote weight loss products in 5 different ways. Now you can use these individually or you can combine them all together and see powerful results. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which method works best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to pick a weight loss product and we are going to promote it in 5 different ways. And I'm going to show you, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how you can do this individually with each one of these, or you can actually combine them and potentially 5x your income. So for the purposes of this video, we are going to promote a product over on ClickBank. Now, this can work for any product. If you find a product over on Digistore24 or ShareSale or Flex Offers, it can work for any one of these. But for the ease of access, we're just going to promote this product right here, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. And there are a number of ways to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first way is simply with YouTube. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is people are coming to Google and YouTube and they're looking for solutions. They're asking questions, and we can use this as an opportunity. Within YouTube, there are a number of ways to do it. One way to do it is simply to just copy the name of the product like this. We are going to copy that, and then we can just paste it right into our search engine. And as you can see, people are actually creating content. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review, Video Review 2021. So if we go to Review 2021, you can see people are creating this content, and the top result here has 9.3 thousand views. If you just create a better video, this video is only 4 minutes long, 5 minutes long. If you create a better video with both features and benefits, you could actually rank at #1. So that's the first way, is a review video. You could do Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and then potentially versus. So we'll do a comparison. As you can see, we could do versus club soda. Some people are actually typing this in, and you have the potential again to rank high because the top result from 2 years ago it's only a 3-minute video. So as you can see, there's some opportunity. Or you could just do how to lose weight. Now, when you do how to lose weight, it is going to be really competitive. And so you're going to want to make sure that your videos are complementary to the videos that are already ranking #1. So you could say how to lose 10 pounds or how to lose belly fat. So if we do how to lose 10 pounds in a week, we hit search, you're simply going to create a video where you're showing them a few different ways to lose weight, and then you can recommend the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic in the description. So what you would do is you would simply create a video and say, here are 5 ways to lose 10 pounds in a week. You list off the 5 ways, and then you add a call to action at the beginning and end of your video and say, if you want to learn my best way, or you want to learn the best way to lose weight in your belly, click the first link. Or you could even search how to lose fat in belly. As you can see, there are people that are searching each body part, and you could do this too. How to lose fat in belly, how to lose fat in belly and back and thighs. As you can see, I'm just going to do back and belly, and the top result here, 1 million views, 3 million subscribers from a year ago. Now again, you want to make sure that your videos are complementary. It's going to be difficult for you to rank for something like this, but if you can create an eye-catching video that is complementary, you can get discovered in the suggested. Search probably isn't going to work for you in this instance, but suggested could. And suggested just basically means, I'll show you what suggested means in just a second. So down here, we've got our main video. Over here on the right-hand side, these are all different suggested videos. And this is one of the unique opportunities that the other platforms don't offer. You can look up your competitors because people oftentimes will only watch a video for 3 minutes and then they're already looking for something else. Now, if it's on mobile, it'll show up below, but on desktop, you can see it's on the side here, and you can see there are all sorts of videos that are showing you different ways to lose weight, and each one of the views and subscribers is different. So you want to make sure that your video is complementary in this instance so that you can get discovered. So how to lose fat in belly, how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. It really all depends on what the goal of the product is. And for our example, the goal of this product is to help them lose belly fat. And so again, if we go back over to YouTube, how to lose fat in belly and back, if we go to how to lose belly and back fat in 30 days, you can see people are doing this exact thing, and then you just simply put your affiliate link. Now, ultimately, what I recommend that you send people to a landing page and collect their email address. That's actually going to be a higher converting. You can create that landing page with something like ClickFunnels, or you can use WordPress if you feel comfortable building it out with WordPress. Either one works. It's just going to be higher converting, and it's actually going to help you make more money longer if you send people to a landing page and collect their email address. One, you can follow up with them with more information regarding the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Two, if they're not interested in it, you can promote other offers. As you can see, there are a bunch of authors on here. As you can see, the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program is you can promote all of these, and as long as your emailers remain subscribers, it gives you potential for them to buy. YouTube is just one way, and I showed you a few different ways within YouTube. Another great way is actually with Pinterest. Pinterest is really powerful, and I recommend that if you're going to do Pinterest, do video pins. Video pins are much more engaging, and they have a much greater reach. So what you can do is go up to the search bar, and you can type in lose belly fat. Hit enter. And we need to change this to all pins. We should do video pins, but all pins. As you can see, one thing that works really well over on Pinterest are these before and after videos. If you look, those get a ton of clicks. And as you can see, this works. People are creating this content. And what you'd want to do with Pinterest is if we click on this, this is called a close-up. And what you'll be able to see is if they click on this again, it will take them off to, she doesn't have a link here, but what we could do is essentially get them off of platform. Now, the cool thing with Pinterest is there's a few different opportunities. You can send them directly to an offer. You can send them to a landing page, or you can send them to your blog or YouTube channel. And so if we click on this one, and I really, really like video pins right now because video pins just really stand out against the static pins. And so if you can do video pins, and you can actually do them right in Canva, if you can do video pins, I recommend that you do them. They get much greater reach. As you can see, even when we scroll down here, you can see these video pins really stand out, and you can create them right in Canva really, really easy. So what I recommend with Pinterest, upload maybe 5 to 10 video pins per day, and make sure they are on topic and you are actually helping people. As you can see, maybe create video pins about exercises. You can actually find these types of pins over on Pexels. If we go over to Pexels right now, pexels.com, pexels.com, and we type in, we'll type in workout, hit enter, and we go over to video pins. You can see there are all sorts of these pins, or all sorts of videos, and then we could actually change the orientation to vertical. And there are over 1,000 videos that are vertical. Look at, if we just hover over this, you can see they are working out. And then what you can do is just click this little download button, and it'll download right to your computer. And some of these do have audio. And the cool thing is you can import these videos. As you can see here, you can import these videos right into Canva. And I'll put a link down to Canva so that you can get access to it. But Canva, in my opinion, is one of the best websites out there because they have a ton of free resources. And let's see, we'll close that. And then after Pinterest, we actually have TikTok. Now, I think TikTok is still a very good opportunity. Marketers have gravitated to TikTok because you can get instant access to your customers or potential customers. And the cool thing with TikTok is you reach people that didn't know they had a problem yet. Oftentimes when people are going over to YouTube and Pinterest, they know they have a problem. They want to lose weight. They want to make money online or whatever the issue is. But when you reach people on TikTok, they may be curious, or they're not quite at the stage yet of asking questions about how to lose weight. And so you can actually catch them over here on TikTok. And again, there are a number of ways to do it. You can create diet recipes within 1 minute or 3 minute videos. You can show workout tips. There's just a number of opportunities. You can do before and after videos. There's a lot of opportunity right over on TikTok. And what you want to do is you want to go out and find relevant hashtags. I'm not logged in, but what I do and the way that I get traffic and leads and sales with TikTok is I target hashtags that are less than 1 million. And one way that I do it, if I'm on my phone, I'll type in like affiliate marketing, and then I'll hit space, and then I'll backspace, and then I'll go find I'll find hashtags that have less than 1 million views. And then that's how I can kind of grow. It's just like YouTube with niching down, or starting a blog with regard to niching down. Speaking of blogging, another way that you can make money with your weight loss affiliate programs are simply with starting a blog. Now, starting a blog can be incredibly competitive, but it's still an opportunity that's out there. And the first thing that you can try is simply to just paste in the name of the product that you're promoting. So as you can see, the difficulty is hard. If we go to matching terms here, what you can do is you can find people that are already ranking for this keyword, and you can reverse engineer them, or you can figure out what they're also ranking for, and you can harvest, or you can improve on their content and make it your own. So I'm just going to take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, and I'm going to paste it in right here. What we're looking for is we're looking for different blogs or websites that are actually creating content. Up here are ads. We're not really worried about ads so much. If we scroll down, let's see here, maybe JuneEmpire.com. We can right click and open that. Global Newswires, like a news type thing. Let's see. Another thing that you can do is you can try and find keywords within the weight loss niche. Now we can do, we can say how to lose, and then I'm just going to put pounds here, how to lose pounds, hit enter, and you're going to see it's going to be kind of competitive, but there might be some opportunities. With enough consistency and persistence, you can start getting traffic. So let me just jump back over to this website here, June Empire. Okay, so what we want to do is we'd want to take JuneEmpire.com, and we're going to copy this. We are going to go back over to our keyword research tool. Now this is Ahrefs, and I'm going to open up Site Explorer, and I'm going to paste in their URL, JuneEmpire.com, and when I hit enter, we're going to see a lot of information. So their Ahrefs is 47, which is pretty good. Their organic keywords, 180,000, and it says they're making $612,000 per month, but that seems high. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on organic keywords if it lets me. Sometimes Ahrefs gets weird about what I can click on, and I'm just going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less. Now, if we're a brand new website, 5 or less can be a good indicator. Now, what we can do is we can go through and we can take a look and see if there is opportunity here. If the content that they've created is too competitive, we can always use these keywords to find other blogs or websites and kind of repeat the process, just like I did, until we find low competition. Now, again, traffic between 0 and 5 should be relatively easy to get. You can see there's a lot of volume per month. For example, let's click on this first one here. I'm going to open this up in a new tab, and we're just going to look and see how difficult it would be to write. Now, this is more about mediums. We're not really going for mediums. We'd be going for weight loss, but this can be a good indicator of how difficult it would be to write on this type of content. But if we go back over here while we're waiting on that, you can see there's 157,000 monthly searches, 12,000 keywords, and I just typed in how to lose pounds. And it came back with how to lose 10 pounds in a week, how to lose 20 pounds in a month. And what we can do is we can go out and we can try and reduce the keyword difficulty to 5 or less once again. And we can go out and see if there is an opportunity here. How long does it take to lose 50 pounds? That's a person that is overweight, probably, and they want to lose a bunch of weight, and they are trying to maybe set their expectations or manage their expectations. Or maybe it's a friend or family member that wants to encourage their friend to lose weight. So if we go how to lose 60 pounds in 6 months, this is probably going to, let's do keyword difficulty 0. We're going to change this. So this should be relatively easy. There's only 19 keywords, 940 searches, but I want to see what we've got here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste this here, just like that. And we're going to come back to that. All right, so BetterMe.world. This might be a good opportunity. Livestrong.com is not going to be a good opportunity. Asking a lot could be a good opportunity. And then we've got Quora here as well. And Quora could actually be another great way to find keywords. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. What we can do here is, this is the website, BetterMe.world. And it looks like they've got pretty good content here. So if we scroll down here, and while the number of words in the page doesn't ultimately give you an idea of how difficult it would be to rank, it does give us some semblance. So this is only a 1,000-word blog post right here, which isn't terrible for someone to write. If you do like who, what, when, where, why, how to lose 80 pounds in 2 months, if you give like a step-by-step guide and instructions, and just make sure that they know that it's probably not healthy for them to try and do something like this, but if that were something that they were interested in doing, something like the Okinawa flat belly tonic is something that they could use to help them. Now, I mentioned Quora just a second ago. I actually picked this tip up from another YouTuber. If we go back over to our organic keyword, we can say, we'll go Quora.com, hit enter, and you're going to see they rank for a whole mess of stuff. There's a ton of stuff out there that they rank for, and we can use this as an opportunity. We can use this as an opportunity in a few different ways. Let's include weight. We'll hit enter there, and then we want to change the keyword difficulty as well. So we added weight. So the keywords that they rank for must include weight. And we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less once again. And when we do that, we're going to see a bunch. Does losing weight affect your nose? Let's see. Planet Fitness, Smith Machine, bar weight. There's a bunch of questions on here that you could potentially create content on. Smith Machine, how much weight should I put in the back of my truck? Let's do lose weight or weight loss. We'll do lose weight. And then I'm also going to add in weight loss. Another tip you could do is add in like calories. So someone's asking like how many calories is in a banana? That could be an opportunity as well. How many calories do you burn by pooping? That's interesting. 300 calories a day. How many calories are required to raise the temperature? Let's see. There is some things in here. How do I strive to calculate calories burned? So you could create content on each of these, and as you can see, there's a lot of traffic here. My boyfriend wants me to lose weight. That could be interesting. And what you would do is you could do this one or two ways. One, you could create content on these keywords, or you could answer questions on Quora. Now, if you answer questions on Quora, you have to get them off of platform. You cannot add your affiliate links directly to Quora. If you add your affiliate links to Quora, you will get banned. So you don't want to do that. But there's another opportunity in there. I didn't include Quora before, but this is a bonus tip. You could create content in Quora, get people off of the platform, have them go to a YouTube channel, a landing page, blog post, Pinterest, really anywhere except for Quora, and then put your affiliate links there. And then the final one that I had already set forth was actually with Instagram. Instagram is an incredibly vanity-based social media platform, and so you could create content where you show people and help people lose belly fat. As you can see here, this person has created an infographic with crunches and actually workout routines, and then you could actually include a affiliate link or a link to your landing page. Let's click on this one. Click link to your landing page where you can either collect emails or send them directly over to an affiliate offer. So there's a number of ways. One, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, start a blog. You can even use Quora and then Instagram as well. Now that you know 6 ways to actually promote your weight loss affiliate programs, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.